Okay, hey people, so we are at La Pino'z and this is a margarita pizza for just 115, and honestly it's one of the best pizzas I've tasted because I don't know, they're very generous with the butter and the cheese and all. And then see, so this is La Pino'z, and then you have this choco lava cake, which is again it's just for 99 bucks, and we are here on a Friday afternoon and this looks good. uh, yeah, my sweetheart. You can take it. So this is an experience really. I'm glad this place is this is near this near the Rai Durgam metro station. And I used overall, I'd give this place a full 10 really.
For me, I give this place 9.4.
Okay, so that is good, and that is some
Certifies good
awesome,
pizza place.
yeah, awesome pizza.